Sometimes we're involved in a situation that we can't avoid touching the door handle. 80% of virus infections are spread by hands. One handle, billions of viruses. The solution: meet Z-TOUCH Antimicrobial Pad self-cleaning surfaces. Virus on hand will be absorbed in MICRO-POROUS Layer in 2 seconds. 99.99% of viruses will be killed to keep the surface always clean. The world leader in self-cleaning innovation with Smart Nano Ion system. Protect your employees, employers, and visitors. How does antimicrobial pad kill virus when your hand touch door? Viruses and bacteria will be absorbed to the second layer in 2 seconds, then killed by Smart Nano Ion system. Keep the surface always clean. Easy to install. Can be cleaned with water and alcohol. Protecting up to 3 to 6 months or 10,000 touches. Easy to peel off without stain. Z-TOUCH for safe touch.